How to reset your Hotpoint washing machine. So what you're gonna do is to turn the program selector dial to off or at the 0 position. It's gonna depend on which model you have, but you can do the similar procedure. Then select a new wash program and press start or pause to restart the machine. If a cycle is stuck, you can press and hold the starts or pause button until the program cancels. You can turn the dial to off, wait for the door to lock to release, then choose a new cycle and press start or pause again. Another thing you can do is to turn it off, the machine, disconnect it from the power supply for about 1 to 2 minutes, then reconnect and turn it back on before selecting a program. Check that the door is fully closed, the water supply is on, and the drain filter is clear. The appliance does not use a dedicated reset button, and the reset functions are performed through the control dial and start control. So those are a few things you can do if you want to reset your machine. So hopefully it helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.